Do you know what pickle bacon is? That's your hint. Well, if you didn't guess it was an Ugandan knuckles cake, yeah. No, why don't some people do like okay, let's go right now. Yeah, we're gonna get this red block. Yeah, Stevens. Wait, but I want a tall, large, non-cake. Okay, no. Okay, first we're going to get the pasta and we're going to jump into it. Because what's an Ugandan knuckles cake without pasta? Holy Jesus! What the hell am I? What the hell? Look how creepy as I am. I am the grandmother. Luigi! Wait, if I look at you, does that mean... Are you trying to steal my cake, boy? This is my cake and my cake. Am I a Luigi because he looked at me? Fucked him, didn't I? I don't know what happened to my cat. Boy! What the hell is trying to steal my cake? They're trying to steal my cake. No, boy, this is my cake. Yo! No, this is mine. What the hell? He's trying to steal my cake. This is just me yelling at finest. They're going on. No, this is going to be chili pepper. Always in the clothes. Yo! The other one. Yeah, we're going to need some sprinkles. Nom nom nom. ate the cake. Now I open peace. Ali was a sprinkle poo. First off, let's get a wild's nest on her. All that cooking. I'm a spy. I'm not really a spy, are ya, boy? But see me rolling. They're trolling! Persuading. Pie. Ha! Good for cheese. Cake. What happens when I've been silver? I'm a silver cake. YOLO! No. I'll be digested in my full glory. Oh, gimme! Hello. Free cake. Only a small bite. Right, Manuel just pushing. Please no that we lost from death. Ah, you can die. No, it's not more life. You need to get out more, buddy. Well, you need to get off this toilet more, buddy. Yeah, now I'm a piece of beep. Who are you? I am called the talking cake. How can you talk? You're waiting for a mad scientist. You know it works. No, I do not. Let me cake. Hey, come here, Gavin Knuckles.